Today is the last day of February 2025, and I'm going into my spring mode after this. So I'm just looking over some of the winter scenes I've done recently, and I'm going to put them aside and start working on some spring paintings. These have been fun, but it's time to move on and leave the snow behind for now. So here's a last look at the snowfall for 2025 before we move into spring. This was February, and I'm looking forward to spring paintings. At the end of this video, I'll show some paintings that I've done in the past spring and summer months, which will inspire me in the months to come. Oh, wow. Pretty. Here comes the wind. Yesterday it was warm and rainy. Today it's cold and wintry and windy and snowy. Some big flakes too. Hear the wind? Wow. Quite windy. Blowing those snowflakes all around. Ooh. Here are some of my spring and summer paintings I've done over the past year or so. And as I said, I'm leaving the snow scenes behind. As much as I've enjoyed painting snow landscapes, I'm going to start painting some spring and summer inspired landscapes. So some of these are acrylic, some are watercolor, some are a combination. One up there is pastel. So these are all paintings I've done from the past, which I will build upon as the spring and summer months approach, and fine-tune my skills and branch out onto some other mediums and different styles. I'm looking forward to expanding into more colorful paintings, such as this one. I really like the colors and the way it makes me feel when I look at something like that. That's actually from a photo taken locally here in Brown County. Most all of these are inspired by Brown County. The barn is actually on the way between Nashville, Indiana and Bloomington, Indiana in Brown County. And this is inspired by a scene at the end of my road looking out across the fields. The other one is inspired, the lake is inspired by the lakes here in Brown County. So I'm going to continue painting in this vein as summer approaches. Looking forward to it.